And so that's what the book is about, is really trying to challenge colonisation through our own kaupapa Māori views and ways of thinking.
Absolutely, it's about reconnection for me, reconnecting those taonga with whānau and hapu, but also with artists, so they know what's around in museums, they can make all those connections, and hopefully it will inspire them in their own practice.
Yeah, I think that the challenge is on all of us to do what we can as journalists where we can to promote te reo Māori, because it is an official language of this country, and it is only something that will survive and will strengthen if we all pitch in together.
I think most importantly for me tonight, I just want to thank Massey University for providing this opportunity for Māori journalists, because the work that we do as Māori journalists, it's not easy, because we are literally walking in two worlds, in te ao Māori and te ao Pākehā.
Being able to tell people's stories and having the privilege of doing so, because a lot of people don't want to share their stories, and you have to work really hard to win their trust, to tell their story in a meaningful way, and to make sure and to show the public, those who are watching or listening to it or reading about it, that it is something that will inform, educate, titillate, surprise, shock, move them. It's something that will rock their world, if you like.